Wonderful stadium, and we're all set here for the inter-squad match stimulation from Sunrisers Hyderabad. With the bat along with Abhishek Sharma, the non-striker's end. Left-hander batter, that's in the good gap. Second ball of the game has, and around the stumps again. This time he flicks it to the mid-on, will be a single taken. Coming to Mendes, and this time it's Abhishek Sharma who has come to bat, and the very first ball about this tour, this upcoming move. That's a great shot once again, has been muzzled. He's in a very good form, has been a note. That's one more biggie, and into the stands as well. Ishan Malinga, the new bowler, comes here to attack for sure, and that's a great shot once again with the pace, with the bounce that has been smashed. That has been. Will be having a competition. Let's see who will be having the most number of sixes today at the end. Wonderful, strong batters, strong mindset batters who are in a very good form already. Will be looking forward to slow down the run rate of the side of batting. Take outside edge and the ball travels. This is going to happen. The Ishan Malinga, good swing action, and that has been driven beautifully from the bat of Abhishek. Goes better and good. Good pace here and uses it. Got a bit of good room. And I would say young and so clever. Once again another shot, but this time straight to the fielder. But this time very unfortunate. Has to go back. Got caught to the fielder in the covers, in the sweepers. To the left-hander batter. Good punch off the bat for the first runs. And that's in the gap as well for 4. Oh, good delivery here. Once again. Last ball of the third over. Oh, good delivery. Thick edge. Ishan Malinga back into the attack. But this time he's coming from over the stumps. And what a catch that has been taken. But to the left-hander batters. This time first ball itself, he came from over the stumps. That's a good mindset. Let's go. Let's try from this way. Kind of approach is going to be witnessed from the batters. They love to use the pace. They love to go against the medium paces. That's a great shot. Something new and special to attack to Sachin Baby. Slower delivery there. Big appeal. Was it off the pad? It looks likely. Yes. No. Nowhere off the pad. There has been a out there. Ishan Kishan to face round the stumps once again to Ishan Kishan. Ishan Malinga. Good shot. Not much of big power, but the timing has been great. From partnership is expected now from these two batters. Once again a good shot. A technique goes over the short third man fielder's head. Right. Makes himself to get the room. Shuffles outside of. Round the stumps again. Came from over the stumps, the last delivery, but this time round the stumps, and look how he doesn't come under super pressure. Outside with 1 or 2 sixes, and then eventually after that we could see the big shots coming over, and that is the way. Good to go here, and welcome Mendes. And that's a good one. Good ball here from coming to Mendes. This time manages to take the catch as well. That was very quick. That was very fast. Good shot and a very good Mendes. Beautifully taken. Great catch. He was very quick. But Abhinav Manohar wasn't ready for that. It wasn't a big fault. But Sachin Baby should have waited a bit. That was a wait call. Look at that. Wait was the call from Abhinav Manohar. From the non-striker's end. Very unfortunate. That was a big trouble. Turn also. Have the advantage. Go for it very quick and very soon. Absolute good mindset. Just short of lane delivery. He wanted to bowl and has been in the very immediate punishment from over the stumps, right arm, left arm around. Very interesting here to watch from Commander Mendes from the stump line, and that has been wide deep square leg region all the way for 6. That's huge and big once again, but this time he has managed to go with the same and the whole flow. Lalit Verma goes for the hat trick of 6s against the left arm spinner. Ambidextrous spinner. And with that maximum 150 comes up for the side of Team SRHA. This is down the leg and will be a wide call here. Wide is the call. Is this another one? Has got the altitude here. Has it got the distance? Yes, it is. And then he has come here after 10 overs. 19 runs leaked out of his first over. And once again, he has been well much needed. Short of line delivery. Pulls it. And there was a fielder in the tail. Bouncer. Slower bouncer. Keeper misses to collect. Long chase for the fielder. Long. Abhinav Manohar for sure. Another bouncer delivery. Slower. Clever bowling here from Harshal Patel. Fully all the way for 4 runs. Another delivery. This time it has gone high and up. Where is this ball going to travel? Has it got the distance? No. There's a man coming down in red and will be taken in the long on region as well. Very quick leg spin action. Rahul Chahar. Very clever bowling. In the squad practice game match simulation. So we get to see all the batters and bowlers coming into bat. Bowler of Sunrisers Hyderabad, Tahir, has come here to attack from over the stumps. Oh, beautiful delivery, and that has been 84 for 6 now. And that is Abhinav. Good delivery, and that's big appeal. Was there a nick? Also, that was a googly, the first ball. Short of land delivery. Has managed to hit all around. Last ball of the 15th over. Good shot. That's up in the air and it's in the good gap as well. Yes, Zishan Ansari has managed to put right in the gap. And after 15 overs, as we all know, this is inter-squad practice match simulation. Catch it is a call. It was a fielder being present but fell short from the fielder in the deep to counter attack. Short of line delivery, and this is what I was talking about, the healthy mindset. I mean, that's in the top tire. Good shot again, driven. But the drive was about to come to the onside. Indeed, it went to the offside to hit a couple of more rockets. And is that one more rocket? What is the distance? That has hit the side screen. Straight up and round the stumps. Ishan Malinga. Sling action here. Fielder there in the deep and takes it. I told you earlier, Ishan Malinga would be comfortable very much with over the came from over the stump. Abhinav Manohar goes for the biggie over his head. Harshal Patel grabs the ball, comes into attack. Commander Mendes has managed to go for the big one. Teases Rahul Chahar in the deep. They don't put themselves under too much of trouble. Was about to play the reverse sweep, reverse scoop. Indeed, Commander Mendes goes back to dugout as Harshal Patel bowls a wonderful yorker straight on the. Harshal Patel gets the first wicket for himself and sends back Commander Mendes. What a comeback here. That's great to see. He bowls everything, whatever you want, Rahul Chahar. Just short of line delivery down the leg region and manages to round the stumps. It's a great shot. Long way. Yes, it is. The fielder being Ishan Malinga. Round the stumps and no ball is the signal. No ball is the call from the umpire. Will be a free hit. Aniket Verma and Zishan Ansari. Earlier we saw Zishan Ansari and huge numbers. That's a very great number to have this kind of practice. The numbers are so beautiful. 200 plus runs, anything that comes as a target for the good shot to the offside this time, again to the deep point region. And take mark to get on to this move. Oh, good shot. That's lovely striking from Aniket Verma. That's huge and big. That was very height. So Harshal Patel here to bowl the last over, final over. Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium. Full toss delivery. Has managed to hit hard, but not a long way distance. There was a fielder in the long on being present from Rahul Chahar, now from Sachin Baby. They could have gone for the dive. They could have put it around, making sure everything that has to be under a good zone. That's a great effort. That's a great effort. Is that a wicket? Is that a wicket? Has the smiles, has taken fine enough. Atharva Taide and Ishan Kishan has come out here to bat to open the innings once again. To play long innings, and that's a good delivery. Surprise the Ishan Kishan. Thick edge. Top edge as well. Came up at the end of the 6 overs. Short of lane delivery that has been pulled. And that has gone all the way for maximum. Very not there in the middle now. Big innings is required. Good shot again. Right in the gap. No one there. Will be 4 more runs. Punched it. Have to be good. Have to make sure things work out under the way. That's a good shot. Ishan Kishan down the leg. Will having a practice match simulation here. That's one more big to come from Ishan Kishan, and that's a huge way as well. That's big. Come here to bat as well if needed. Good shot over the umpire's head, straight down the track. End of the 4 overs. It's 43 for no loss. Harshal Patel, and also along with Ishan Kishan, the partnership has been great. The outcome has, I guess, like maybe if possible, if some. Oh, biggie! That's very well long and huge. Lovely striking from stumps again. Oh, good shot. It beats the fielder in the mid-off region. Jaydev Unadkat comes here to attack. And the very first ball itself. Oh, great shot. Comes down the track. No one there. What a lovely shot. Inside out shot that is beautifully played. Young good players from the side of SRH being present. Oh, huge. Yes, it is. But oh, googly, it was all about to come. There's a man in the deep. Drops the catch. And Jaydev Unadkat yet another time, and what a lovely shot this time. Oh, big one. Distance with a question mark, and that will be taken on field. SRHB 90 for 1, and Jaydev Unadkat. Last ball of the 8th over here, Jaydev Unadkat, and this time once again that has gone high enough, but also it has got the distance. This time he'll be looking forward to get to 100, I guess. Down the leg, wide, and the extra runs has leaked. And they're doing almost the same job here. Point, late cut, Sachin Baby, which he loves to play. Has already played that shot in the earlier first innings. Once again now, a googly being bowled very well by Zishan Ansari. 250 plus 280. Big scores has been achieved. That's a great shot. Once again, Sachin Baby comes down the track right from the pitch of the ball, goes against Zishan Ansari for 6 runs for the maximum. Lovely hands and lovely footwork all the way. That is big and huge. And with that, Aditya here around the stumps comes here to attack Ishan Kishan, and that's a big shot again all the way for 1 more 6. One more good shot, sounded cracking. That's gone high and up. Fielder coming down, it drops the catch. Also off some delivery, slices it beautifully to the third man region. A beautiful. That's gone high enough. Fielder coming under it, but no, lands safely. And looks like yes, Ishan Kishan is going back to the dugout. Who's the other batter going to come out to bat? I guess like it's Aniket Verma. I guess Amandu Mendes has gone off the mark already. 261. Big target. Big way to chase. And that's once more. Late cut. Outside off. I've told you already, he loves to play this shot. Late cut. Beautiful. No ball, that is. And that's going to be a free hit. No ball has been the call. And the chance for him to free his muscles. Oh, he should have gone with a straight. Zishan Ansari once again grabs the ball. I didn't see him in for a couple of overs in between. Once again, has to go high enough and will be caught very easily around the mark. Take outside edge. Ball goes to the third man region. Very same way, usual way. Ah, great connection. Sounded really well and good. Cracking shot off the bat of Sachin Baby. Muzzled it very strong. Goes again Jaydev Unadkat. This time he came from round the stumps to attack. Left arm round the stumps to attack to the left-hander batter. But still manages to hit it. Good shot. Again, this time it will go one bounce straight to the batting flow is now brilliant. If this goes on, they could finish off the game. That's a great shot. Yet another time. Has been muzzled strong by Sachin Baby. What a lovely striking. Starts the over with the wide and then goes from the pitch of the ball for a great maximum. Again, Zishan Ansari. This man is going to be a very dangerous batter. Not this time. Couple of times. That shows how good the form he's in, how good quality he's been in now. Gets beaten with those orange colors, the seats. It will be more beautiful when we have the fans. At least one more maximum. Slower delivery, and that is what exactly Sachin Baby is also doing out there. 49, like Sachin Baby felt like that's a full toss I could take. I could play for Sachin Baby back to dugout. And this way mark, also Commander Mendes comes back to dugout. A check as a task being given to Abhinav Manohar and Harshal Patel has to be chased down. No ball is the call. Along with that, it will be a free hit signal coming off from the umpire. Also Harshal Patel wants to go for the biggie. Swings the bat hard. Take outside edge. And ball travels to the deep point region, backward point region for 4 more runs. And that's a good way to end this over. As they were required off with one more good boundary at least I was talking about. That has come. Tall man, Tahir once again comes here to attack. Free hit delivery. Oh, bull shot was about to come and that has come good. Another no ball delivery here from Tahir. Extras that are leaking now. Oh, Biggie. Where is this going? Lands safely, but after the ropes, which is mean that's a 6. Free hit delivery. Abhinav Manohar. Lovely play. From the pitch of the ball, goes for the big swing of the bat. Being taken. Appreciated. Down the leg. Will be a little flick. No one there. And will be more runs. One more. The numbers are very close now to be chased down. That's a great shot. The connection is good from the connection is good. And what a catch. Being taken. Harshal Patel. This is fantastic. This is absolutely good here. Have to check whether it's a maximum or not. Caught it first. Put it up. Oh, that's good. And another one. Effort is brilliant. Call. But I would say that's a very brilliant effort. The new man has come down to middle. The task is now on to the... Oh, good shot. Is it in the gap? Is it 4 runs? Yes, it is. And that's left arm. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Maybe a boundary here of this over's end would do something special. No, is that a wicket? Yes, it is. The finger goes up. Rahul Chahar goes back, wanted to slice the ball. Back here from round the stumps. Good shot. That's Biggie. That goes over the head. That's in the dugout as well. Practice for them before the games. Around 12 overs or 11. Struggled as well, I guess. Aditya Short of lane delivery. That's gone high enough. Fielder coming under it. This time, it will be taken. It will end of this mark as well. It's 238 for the loss of 5 wicket. End of this mark as well. It's 238 for the loss of 5 wicket. A good session, a good practice game in the squad. Sunrisers Hyderabad inter-squad practice match simulation live from Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium has come to a good end, has come to a good way mark. The way it started, the way it went along, the flow was absolutely brilliant.
चालीस रन की बहुत अच्छी पारी, लेकिन अब आखिरकार पाकिस्तान को
एक और मोहम्मद आमिर, द कमबैक मैन, ऋषभ पंत और रविंद्र जाडेजा बैक टू बैक डिलीवरीज पे वापस। पाकिस्तान की लगभग वापसी यहां पूरी हुई। शरीफा,
Another one bites the dust. एक और आघात।
हार्दिक पांड्या, स्वस्थ भारी किनारा, हारिस राव की गति लेके जाएगी थर्ड मैन बाउंड्री पे। पैच पे पिकअप, लेकिन एक और अच्छा कैच। इफ्तिकार से आज बहुत गलतियां हुई हैं, लेकिन हार्दिक पांड्या का ये कैच पाकिस्तान की टीम कहेगी भूल जाइए अब तक जो हुआ। बड़ी फिनिश की एक आखिरी उम्मीद भारत की थोड़ी समाप्त हुई हार्दिक के इस विकेट के साथ। क्या यहां से 20 और रन जोड़ सकते हैं? 15-20 रन जसप्रीत बुमराह के बैट से नहीं आएंगे।
वो हार्दिक पांड्या की वो जो विकेट थी, उसमें थोड़ा जहन लगाने की जरूरत थी, इसलिए क्योंकि उसके बाद ज्यादा बल्लेबाजी बाकी थी नहीं। वो आखिरी बल्लेबाज थे। हारिस रऊफ की इस ओवर में 2 विकेट।
मिड ऑफ से थोड़ा ऊपर, अर्शदीप भागिए तो सही, प्रयास करिए तो सही। ये अंदेशा आ रहा था, पिछली कुछ गेंदों से आ रहा था। सिराज और अर्शदीप गेंद के साथ, खैर वो बात की बात, लेकिन बैट के साथ कोई तालमेल नहीं। रनआउट के जरिए पहली बार T20s में पाकिस्तान ने भारत को किया ऑल आउट। 89 पे 4 से पारी सिमटी है 119 पे। रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली दोनों को विकेट्स जल्द गंवाए भारत ने। उसके बाद पारी को संभाला ऋषभ पंत ने और अक्षर पटेल ने, लेकिन फिर एक कोलैप्स जो शुरू हुआ 12वें ओवर में, उसने रुकने का नाम नहीं लिया। भारत 119 के स्कोर पे ऑल आउट हुआ। 120 गेंदों पे 120 रनों की तलाश है पाकिस्तान को। मोहम्मद रिजवान को यूएसए ने जल्दी आउट किया था। बाबर आजम ने कोई जल्दबाजी दिखाई नहीं थी। नई गेंद के साथ अर्शदीप ने बहुत परेशान किया है पाकिस्तान को। और पहले रन्स मिड ऑफ से थोड़ा दूर पुश किया है हार्दिक पांड्या के लिए। ये चेज में जीतेंगे, बहुत बड़ा वो पॉकेट है मैदान का। ये ऊपर डाली मोहम्मद सिराज ने भी, लेकिन ये लेंथ इस विकेट पे बहुत पसंद आ रही है बल्लेबाजों को। फाइन लेग पे,
ये बहुत बड़ा नुकसान। ओहो, जाबाज स्ट्रोक, जोखिम से भरा हुआ स्ट्रोक, और ये आउट हो सकता है। आउट, पहला विकेट। सवाल ये है कि ये कैच फेयर है या नहीं। मुझे लगता है पूरी तरह से फेयर है भैया।
Looks like the ball's coming straight into the hand, fingers underneath the ball. Running through nice and slow. Yeah, thank you. Fingers together, ball straight into the hand. Ready to make my decision for the big screen.
Just